Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to Poke Live, home of the Pokemon. Hope you all having a good day. All right, so let's jump into it. So I'm doing a review on this product I bought from Amazon. If you guys are curious to have a look at it, if you want to buy it and whatnot, the link is going to be in the description. So have a look in the description. Also, I'm not affiliated with these guys. I'm just showing you what the product is. If you guys want to buy it, I'm from Canada, so I bought this product in Canada. Canadian price, which was $152 and some odd change after tax and shipping. All right, let's get it, y'all. Let's jump into it. So I like to do these because sometimes people get scammed. And if I'm going to get scammed, well, at least you guys can benefit from it and not buy this product. You all know what I mean? So yeah, I feel like it's Christmas or something. There we go. So it does look legit. Looks like we got a legit box. And it doesn't seem like it was as damaged as, like, it seems like it's in perfect condition. Last box that we had was this one right here, which was actually extremely damaged, if you could see right here. But anyways, if you guys want to see a link to other products, check out the YouTube channel. But yeah, no, this looks all right. This looks fine. I don't think anything's wrong with this. Let's just tear it up and just have a look into it. See what's cracking. There we go. Looks like a good box, perfect condition and whatnot. There we go. This is it. This is it, guys. Battle sword and sword and shield battle style. The real deal, real McCoy. So I'm still chasing some cards in this set. So I will be buying more of these. I'm probably going to be buying, I don't know, like 10 more boxes of these. I'm also going to be buying a more Chilling Reign. Fusion Strike is also coming up as well. So if you guys thought this was interesting, or if you took value in this and you're buying some or whatever, like the video, share with a buddy or something. I appreciate it. That's all it's going to be for right now. So thanks for dropping by. Give us a sub. If you guys aren't sub, it does help my channel. We're trying to go hard here. We are trying to go hard. Give it a like. It helps with the algorithm. Yeah, and comment. If you got any questions, leave it in the comment. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Love y'all. Take care. Boo.